5 दिवसांचे गोय विधानसभेचे अधिवेशन सोमारच्यान सुरू जाले। राज्यपाल पुसपती अशोक गजपती राजू यांच्या अभिभाषणान विधानसभेक सुरुवात जाली। राज्यपालान आपल्या भाषणात गोय सरकाराचे कामगिरीचेर भर दिलो। वेगवेगळ्या योजनांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सरकारान केल्ल्या कामाची तोखणाय राज्यपालान केली। तसेच रस्ते अपघात, शिरगांव जात्रा खेटाखेट आणि हडफड्या बस घडणुकेविशीं राज्यपालान दुःख परगटायले।
I commend the State Election Commission for successfully conducting the Zilla Panchayat elections a very enthusiastic manner, and I congratulate all the newly elected Zilla Panchayat members. I am confident that the members of both the Zilla Panchayats will work with dedication that the law and order situation in Goa is under control. This is proved by the fact that Goa maintains a high crime detection rate of 87.72%, ensuring that individuals involved in criminal activities are apprehended through collaborative effort of the Goa police and other law enforcement agencies. I congratulate the Bichlam police station on being ranked as the 5th best police station in India. The Cybercrime Center is being further strengthened with an AI-based investigative intelligence tool which helps officers trace identities using structured identifiers such as mobile numbers, UPI ID, PAN numbers, and vehicle registration data. It has been instrumental for expanding profiling in our cyber and financial fraud cases. Also, government is planning to launch a new Android and iOS app for general public to register their grievances, complaints directly through their smartphones. With the functionality of location, photos, videos, in addition to the existing facilities of registering public grievances, this Android app shall be made available to the general public in addition to the existing online services. 7,111 fire and emergency calls have been collectively attended by the fire and emergency services from January to October 2025, during which 140 human lives, 690 animal lives were saved, and property worth 29.54 crore has been saved. Overall literacy rate to an astounding 99.72%, exceeding 95% the national benchmark, to be declared a fully literate by the Ministry of Education. On the Shetkari Aadhar Nidhi scheme, crop compensation worth 3.27 crore has been handed over to 3,024 farmers who suffered losses due to unseasonal rains. My government is aware of the serious problem of stray cattle causing road accidents and is simultaneously working with the panchayat and civic bodies to relocate stray cattle and gaushalas effectively. My government has successfully auctioned 12 iron ore blocks in first, second and third notice inviting tenders, out of which 5 blocks have become operational. 7 more blocks are under the process of obtaining environment clearance and other permissions. The state government has earned a revenue of rupees 252.83 crore as upfront payment towards all 12 blocks. Projects which include flood protection work, Kushavati water scheme and Mirabag raw water scheme worth 365.84 crore have been inaugurated. The Goa Waste Management Corporation, my government is dedicated in facilitating scientific management of various types of waste. The solid waste management facility at Saligao has treated a total of 5.60 lakh tons of waste and generated around 4.22 crore units of electricity. Government enthusiastically participated in the Swachhata Hi Seva 2025 campaign from 17th September to 2nd October 2025, highlighting Clean and Green Festive 25-26 under Deen Dayal Swastha Sevas Yojana are 1,78,028. The 8,671 have benefited under the scheme up to November 2025, incurring an expenditure of rupees 33.3 crores. 278 patients have taken the benefit under Goa Mediclaim scheme, incurring an expenditure of 2.58 crore during the same period.